In previous videos, we've talked about how important social media is as part of your marketing strategy. One of the most overlooked aspects of your social media branding is your social media page. A great way to make sure that you're branded properly on all of your social media is to use a social media banner. So, today we're going to talk about how to create a social media banner. So, go to Real Estate Templates and scroll down to Social Media Banners. Click on it, of course, and then select any one of the designs you see. I'm going to go with this one. Okay, I like that. So let's go ahead and create that. Now I like the background picture here, but you can change this anytime you like. Just double click on it and select any photo from your gallery. Okay, so let me just adjust this. So just click and drag the photo. Okay, I like that. Now I want to change the caption. So I'm going to double click on it and highlight all of the text. And then I'm going to type what I wanted to read. Put our experience to work for you. Now that doesn't fit the design very well, so I need to change the shape of this. So go ahead and click on the center tick on either side and drag. That's going to stretch that box out and give that text some room to move. And now click on the center of the text and center it on the page. Look for the purple guideline to let you know that you're centered. Excellent. Okay, now I'm going to come down here and again select all of the text and change this to whatever you want it to read. San Diego's Premier Luxury Realtor. All right, looking good. Last thing we want to do is increase the size of our logos. Now, because our logos are identical, it's important that they're the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize one, and then I'm going to bring the other one up next to it, and I'm going to resize the other one to match. That's probably about right there. We're close. Make that just a titch bigger. I'd say that's almost perfect. Perfect. Now I'm going to center this on the other one. Again, we see that purple line. And now I'm going to leave that one highlighted. I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard and select the other one. That's going to link these two together. And now by moving them together, I can center them on the page. And I'm sure you saw that purple line there. I'm going to click off the field. And we're done. Your social media banner is ready to go. All you need to do at this point is download it. Now you can upload that file to the social media of your choosing. If you have other questions about the Design Studio, check out our knowledge base at help.agentelite.com. Thanks for joining me today.